Let us continue. It is the soul counterpart of Shen, the spirit, the opening to the liver, and Hon, the eyes, are often termed the window of the soul. Hon is rooted and nourished by liver, Yin, and Blood. It is most active at night during sleep and helps determine the quality of sleep experience. Hun pertains to mental and spiritual achievement and provides psychic abilities, intuition, and inspiration. It is also responsible for balancing and harmonizing the 7 emotions. Hon is also the quality of the psyche which give us the capacity to plan our life and find a sense of direction and purpose. Okay? Balanced wood type. The balanced wood type. The balanced wood type tends to be creative, expressive, and highly motivated. As such, we might think of them as having an entrepreneurial temperament. They require an outlet to vent and express the unique aspects of their creative nature and temperament. Wood types are those individuals who are driven to excel in their focused endeavor, like the young sapling first breaking through the earth with freshness and enthusiasm in springtime. They thrive on opposition and resistance as they pursue their goals and ambitions. Acute diseases that are likely to occur with the balanced wood type involve chi, congestion, and stagnation as it mainly affects the digestive tract, food stagnation, bloating, gas, indigestion, and constipation. Next, wood type. The deficient wood type is still manifesting a tendency to outer drive, has an inner hollowness that causes them to fall short of their goals and ambitions. This brings with it a kind of brittle sensitivity that frequently dips into depressive states. While there is a desire for expression and creativity, they seem, for various reasons, unable to manifest their dreams. One of the problems with deficient wood types is infertility. For example, peculiarly enough, both the deficient and excess wood type. Okay. Peculiarly enough, both the deficient and excess wood type still strive to manipulate and control their outer circumstances, sometimes with a tendency to aggressions toward others. The difference is that while the excessive wood type is more extroverted and overt in their method, the deficient wood type is more covert, but in their own way just as determined. Okay? Deficient wood types. Deficient wood types tend towards chi, blood and fluid, stagnation and deficiency, and should be treated with the appropriate herbal and dietary approaches. Women tend to have trouble with their menstrual cycles. Both men and women have a tendency to excessively push against their limitations and develop anxiety, insomnia, and hypertension, so that some degree of mild sedation and tranquilizing is also indicated. Okay. Some herbal formulas that are for deficient wood types include those that regulate liver qi, such as bupleurum and peony combination, Xiaoyao 1 in Chinese bilingual, and disperse vital energy in the liver powder, Chai Hu Su Gan San. Those that sedate and nourish the liver, such as Sisyphus combination, Suan Sao Ren Tang. And those that relieve depression, such as Sisyphus combination, Suan Sao Ren Tang. Okay? And those that relieve depression, such as the above mentioned bupleurum and peony combination, Xiaoyao 1, and bupleurum, dragon bone and oyster shell combination, Chai Hu Longu Mulitang. Herbs that nourish blood and yin includes Rimania 6 combination, Liu Wei Di Wang 1, and Dangui 4 combination, Si Wu Tang. That is the herbal formulas for symptoms. Excess wood types. Okay? Excess wood types. Excess wood epitomizes the extreme of excess and stagnation syndrome. While stagnation and congestion are the primary characteristic imbalances of wood, the excess type is more archetypal. The personality of this type is the classic aggressive, dominating personality, whose voice, even in normal speech, sounds shouting. These individuals are motivated to dominate any pursuit with which they are involved. As such, they are the classic type A personality, with all of the associated shortcomings as well as physical and psychological symptoms. Psychologically, these include irritability, aggression, hysteria, and depression. Physiologically, excess wood types have problems with hypertension and other cardiovascular complaints, chest tightness, abdominal bloating, gas, constipation, insomnia, nervous twitching, spasms, and all problems associated with the liver and gallbladder. Okay.